This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ralph Martinez. Welcome to your new fantastic home in the lovely Riverwood Oaks community. This 4-bedroom, 3 full baths gem features an open/split floor plan. The family chef will fall in love with the kitchen, which features huge 42-inch cabinets, a pantry, plant shelves, and plenty of storage space. The large master suite will easily fit a king-sized bed, and his and her closets boast ample space. You'll appreciate the ceramic tile located in all the home's wet areas and carpet in only the bedrooms. The open floor plan makes for perfect family gatherings and entertaining with direct access from the living room to the covered and screened lanai. Additional home features include a spacious office, a large laundry room with cabinetry, a separate dining area, ceiling fans in all rooms, recently remodeled master shower. New roof 2021, new air conditioner 2018, new kitchen cabinets 2021. It is ideally situated in a quaint single-family community with only 32 homes near a cul-de-sac. The back patio is screened in and ready for your get-togethers or for entertaining large crowds. This home has been well taken care of and now awaiting its new owner. This home is a no-brainer, very close to Tampa's most desirable shopping and dining spots. I-75 is a hop and skip away. Florida's fabulous beaches and Disney is only an hour away. This home is a must-see. Please make sure to view the HD 3D virtual tour. The link is here: https://bit.ly/3